The Coach Ashton Baguette is a stylish and functional shoulder bag. It features a sleek baguette shape and a timeless design that makes it perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. The Coach Ashton Baguette has received positive reviews from customers who appreciate its quality, versatility, and stylish appearance. Many women have noted that the bag is well-made and durable, while others have praised its comfortable shoulder strap and ample interior space. Some women have also mentioned that the bag is a bit smaller than they expected, so it may not be suitable for carrying larger items. Color: the Coach Ashton Baguette is available in a variety of colors, including black, brown, and tan. Size: the Coach Ashton Baguette is a relatively small bag, measuring 8.5 inches wide, 5.5 inches tall, and 2.5 inches deep. The Coach Ashton Baguette is a popular choice for those who are looking for a stylish and functional shoulder bag. It is available for purchase at Coach stores and online retailers. The bag is a great option for those who appreciate the quality and craftsmanship of Coach products.